Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between shimmering lakes and snow-capped mountains, lived Little Barbie Princess, known for her kindness, courage, and love of adventure. Her hair flowed like golden silk, and her eyes sparkled like the morning sun. She was adored by everyone in the kingdom for her gentle heart and endless curiosity. One day, while she was strolling through the palace garden, admiring the blooming flowers and listening to the sweet chirping of the birds, she saw something curious. High up in the sky, a bright and colorful star shimmered brighter than any other. It wasn't just twinkling, it seemed to be calling out to her. "Princess, do you see that?" asked her pet bunny, Snowflake, who had been hopping around her feet. Little Barbie Princess nodded, her gaze fixed on the extraordinary star. "It's the most beautiful star I've ever seen, Snowflake. But it feels magical." Suddenly, the sky around the star rippled, and a golden beam of light descended from it, touching the ground right in front of Little Barbie Princess. From the beam stepped a small, glowing creature, a star fairy. She had wings that sparkled like the night sky and a dress made of shimmering stardust. "Greetings, Little Barbie Princess," the fairy said in a voice that sounded like a melody. "I am Starlina, guardian of the magical Starland. We need your help." Barbie's heart raced with excitement. She had heard tales of Starland, a place where stars were born, where colors danced in the sky, and where the night was always bright with magic. But she never thought it was real. "How can I help?" Barbie asked, eager to begin this new adventure. "Our world, Starland, is in danger," Starlina explained. "The bright crystal, which gives life to our stars and keeps our land glowing, is losing its power. Without it, all the stars will fade and Starland will disappear. Only someone with a heart as pure and bright as yours can help restore the crystal's magic." Barbie's eyes widened. "I'll do whatever I can." Starlina smiled warmly. "Then come with me, Princess. We must leave quickly." Before Barbie could respond, a swirl of stars enveloped her and Snowflake. In the blink of an eye, they were whisked away, flying through a tunnel of light and color. They soared through the galaxy, past planets and moons, until finally, they emerged in a place so wondrous, Barbie could hardly believe her eyes. They had arrived in Starland. The sky above them was a cascade of vibrant colors, pinks, purples, blues, and golds, all swirling together like a giant painting. The ground beneath their feet sparkled like diamonds, and the trees glowed with soft light, their leaves shimmering like stars. Every step Barbie took left a trail of glitter behind her, and the air was filled with the sound of gentle chimes and distant melodies. "This place is amazing," Barbie whispered, her heart brimming with joy. Snowflake hopped up and down excitedly. "It's like a dream." But Starlina's face was filled with concern. "As beautiful as it seems, the magic is fading fast. We must reach the Star Palace where the bright crystal is kept." Together, they set off across the glowing fields and through forests of twinkling trees. Along the way, they met other creatures of Starland, fireflies that painted the sky with light, gentle moon butterflies that fluttered like silver clouds, and star ponies with manes that shimmered like rainbows. Each greeted little Barbie Princess with warmth and hope, for they knew she was their only chance. After traveling for hours, they arrived at the Star Palace. It was the most magnificent sight Barbie had ever seen. The palace was made entirely of glowing crystals that towered into the sky, reflecting the vibrant colors of Starland. It sparkled in 1,000 hues, like the night sky itself had been turned into a castle. Inside the palace, at the center of the grand hall, stood the bright crystal. But it was dim, its glow faint and flickering. Surrounding it were the Star Elders, wise beings who had guarded the crystal for centuries. They looked worried as they approached Barbie. "Little Barbie Princess," one of the elders said, bowing slightly. "We have waited for you. The bright crystal is losing its power, and we fear it will go out completely. We need your help to restore its light." "But how can I do that?" Barbie asked, looking up at the crystal, her heart heavy with responsibility. "You must journey to the Valley of the Lost Stars," another elder explained. "There, you will find the Star of Wishes. It is the only star powerful enough to restore the bright crystal. But the journey is perilous, and the valley is filled with shadows. Only your courage and the light of your heart can guide you." Barbie took a deep breath. "I'll go." Before she left, Starlina gave Barbie a gift, a small, glowing pendant. "This star pendant will help you on your journey. It contains a bit of Starland's magic, and it will grow brighter as you get closer to the Star of Wishes." With the pendant glowing softly around her neck, Barbie, Snowflake, and Starlina set off once again, this time toward the Valley of the Lost Stars. The path grew darker as they traveled, the once bright and colorful land turning dim and shadowy. But Barbie held her head high, her heart filled with determination. As they entered the valley, they could feel the weight of the shadows pressing in on them. The stars above were dim, and the trees in the valley were twisted and dark. But in the distance, Barbie could see a faint glow. "The Star of Wishes," she exclaimed, pointing toward the light. But as they approached, the shadows around them began to move. Out of the darkness emerged shadow creatures, their forms shifting and swirling like smoke. They blocked the path, their eyes glowing a dull red. "You shall not pass," one of the shadow creatures hissed. Barbie stepped forward. When they returned to the Star Palace, they found the bright crystal glowing brighter than ever, its light filling Starland with vibrant energy. The Star Elders smiled, their hearts filled with gratitude. "Thank you, little Barbie Princess," they said. "You have saved our world." Barbie smiled, her heart filled with joy. "It wasn't just me," she said, looking at Starlina and Snowflake. "It was all of us, together." With Starland restored, Barbie and her friends returned to the kingdom, where they were greeted with cheers and celebration. But as she looked up at the sky that night, the stars shining brighter than ever, Barbie knew that Starland would always hold a special place in her heart. And so, the little Barbie princess returned to her peaceful kingdom, knowing that whenever she looked up at the stars, she was connected to a land of magic, color, and light, a land that she had saved with her courage and the light of her heart.